Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets for Thursday the 3rd of April. The chart I'm going to look at now is cable for sterling dollar, and the chart actually continues to consolidate in the last couple of days. The daily chart isn't showing a great deal. You're actually showing just a minor consolidation within this trend higher. This uptrend still remains the basis of support. I've just extended that, so you're not really trading off that yet, so you're not talking yet about breaking it. Also, the 89-day moving average is currently at 65.09 as well, so the outlook is not really all that. It's still very positive on cable. So also, just a minor note, I think it's now trading, having used throughout the first half of March, having used this 21-day moving average as the basis of resistance. It's now sort of forming it and using it as support, 66.07. So on that daily chart, we're still fine, but intraday is more interesting. This is forming possibly a top pattern, and it's spent yesterday and the day before using the base of support at $1.6620, around that sort of level. So what we'd be looking for is possibly a breakdown of that, which would complete this top pattern. However, this is just, as I said in the morning report, this is just a formative stage of this top pattern, and it would be unwise to call it before the event, because ultimately it could just turn out to be a consolidation pattern before a break higher. And I'll just turn back on that daily chart, because it could be that this daily chart just turns out to be a bull flag. So it'd be interesting to just hold off if you're thinking about possibly selling that. That could become ultimately a bull flag. So you'd be if it broke back above the daily high at 66.84, for example, then you've got the possibility of that becoming a flag pattern and breaking higher, and certainly pushing towards that high at 67.85. But as I said, on the intraday chart, we're still in the possibility of this actually being a top pattern. So we need to be watching out for this key support, which is increasingly this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at 66.03, and we need to be holding above there. So a couple of a bit of a mixed outlook there on cable at the moment, because it could turn out to be a top pattern. If it breaks below that 66.10, you'd probably be looking at 66.10 as a confirmation of that, and then a real proper confirmation would be a fall below that 66.03. But if it ultimately breaks higher, I'd start to look at 66.63 as a bit of a gauge on the upside. If that starts, if the rate starts to form support or above there, and then push towards that that key breakout high at 66.84, then we could be up and away again. So it's sort of midway at the moment. It's undecided as to exactly where this chart's going to go, but certainly you could get a bit more volatility today with the ISM non-manufacturing number at 3 o'clock, and also the UK services PMI first of all out at 9:30. So it could have a bit more action in this chart today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.